we divide the adsorption into the two categories. One is known as physical adsorption and another is known as chemical adsorption. Now, depending upon the nature of the force which hold the molecules of adsorbent on the surface, which hold the molecules on the surface of adsorbent, on the nature of the force which hold the molecules on the surface of adsorbent, molecules of the adsorbent on the surface of adsorbent, on the surface of the adsorbent, molecules of adsorbent, on the surface of adsorbent, on the surface of adsorbent. On the basis of the force, we divide the process of the adsorption into the two categories. The first category we have, that is known as physical adsorption. What are the basic property of physical adsorption? When particles of adsorbent are held to the surface of adsorbent by the physical forces. In this, physical forces are present. Physical forces are present. Physical forces are present in physical adsorption. What kind of physical forces? Van der Waals force. They are of very weak category. Van der Waals forces of weak attraction force are present in physical adsorption or the physiorption. The attractive force are weak and therefore these can be easily overcome. They are weak in nature and easily overcome by these forces are possible. When we increase the temperature, we will overcome easily by these physical forces. When we increase the temperature, we will easily overcome by these physical forces in this kind of physical adsorption condition. Now, what are the general characteristics of this physical adsorption? Have low enthalpy. General characteristics of physical adsorption. General properties of physical adsorption. The first property, it has a low enthalpy of adsorption. Low enthalpy of adsorption. Less amount of energy is released in this process. Reversible in nature. Second property, reversible in nature. That is reversible in nature. The third process, effect of temperature. We will easily see the effect of temperature in this physical adsorption. Fourth factor, we have lack of specificity. There no any specific property present. There nature of adsorbent, nature of adsorbent, and number 6, state of adsorbent. So all these are the general properties shown by the physical adsorption. After physical adsorption, we come to the chemical adsorption. What is the basic difference there between both? In chemical adsorption, what specific properties we have? When a molecule of the adsorbent molecule of adsorbent are held to the surface of the adsorbent. Surface of adsorbent, molecules of the adsorbent are held to the surface of the adsorbent by the chemical force or the chemical bonds. Chemical force or chemical bonds. Chemical force or chemical bonds. By the chemical force or chemical bonds, the adsorption is called chemical adsorption. The adsorption which is known as chemical adsorption, or another term we use for this, that is chemiosorption. That another term chemiosorption is used there for this particular chemical adsorption term. Now, what are the general characteristic properties are present in this chemical adsorption? So we see that what properties are present in this chemical adsorption. The first characteristics of chemical adsorption. Characteristics of chemical adsorption. Characteristics of the chemical adsorption. Characteristics of the chemical adsorption. The first we have enthalpy of adsorption. Enthalpy of adsorption. Enthalpy of adsorption. Second property, irreversible in nature. Irreversible in nature. Irreversible in nature. Third property, effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. Fourth property, highly selectivity is present there. High selectivity is present there. State of adsorbed species. State of adsorbed species. States of adsorbed species. States of adsorbed species. These general characteristics are shown by the chemical adsorption. Now a very simple term which we have there, that is what is the meaning of this word enthalpy of adsorption? The amount of the heat, that is the amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of adsorbate 1 mole of adsorbate 1 mole of adsorbate, 1 mole of adsorbate is adsorbed on the surface. Adsorbate is adsorbed on the surface. Adsorbed on the surface. Adsorbed on the surface of an adsorbent. Surface of an adsorbent is called enthalpy of adsorption. Is called enthalpy of